Mais avant tout, fais bouger la tête.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Neisha, and if you're new here, welcome. Alright, see my IG page. Your peeps wanting to go over there and follow and like up some pictures. If you don't want to hair done, massage, whatever, DM me now. Yes, and I can get it done. Also, please help me to reach 100 subscribers here, guys. I know the thing rough now, we're going through a warm time, but let us hold on. I want to give a shout out to 2 other persons, you know. Let us share some love and support now. Yes, big up A.R.T comedy, yes, here on YouTube. Go watch some video now. Go over on Instagram and like up the thing too. So Keisha here, she's on Instagram as well. Like up her thing and follow her now. Guys, I thank you very, very much for being there for me, and thanks for the support.